With over 40 years of experience, Sedatelec provides cutting-edge equipment that is designed and manufactured in France to assist the development of complementary medicine worldwide. This is the Premio 30 EVO, a cold laser for painless stimulation for use in acupuncture, auriculotherapy, reflex therapy, and trigger points. The device operates with a rechargeable battery that can last for 6 hours in continuous use. It is delivered in a carry case with a laser emission tester, protective goggles, a European, UK, or US wall charger, and a user manual. This soft laser has several features. Infrared laser emission at a wavelength of 905 nanometers, ensuring a safe and deep penetration of the stimulation, without being absorbed by the water, the hemoglobin, or the melanin. A fast stimulation of 30 seconds per point. Make sure the key is properly inserted. To turn the device on, press the on-off button. The orange LED indicates the charge level. If the orange indicator light is steady, it is fully charged. When the light is blinking slowly, it is half full. When the light is blinking quickly, it is unloaded. When handling the laser at less than 75 centimeters from the eyes, the patient must wear protective goggles. Press on the key to select the suited power. 15 watt for superficial points, 100 watt for deep points. Press the arrow button and select the desired stimulation. Harmonization, for increasing and decreasing wobulation. Dispersion, for decreasing wobulation. Tonification, for increasing wobulation. Wobulation is the continuous variation of the stimulation emission frequency between 100 Hz and 10,000 Hz. Apply the device perpendicularly on a clean and healthy skin. Press the light button to start the laser emission. A click and an orange LED will both confirm the laser is emitting. The stimulation automatically stops after 30 seconds. For auriculotherapy, press the arrow button and select auricular stimulation. This enables successive emission by scanning all the nodia frequencies. The power is automatically set at 15 watt. You can check the laser emission at any time. To do so, remove the laser key, insert the laser test plug in the device, connect the laser key to the laser test. Press the on-off button, then the emission button. You will hear a continuous clicking sound. Apply the laser beam to the laser test cell. The beep changes according to the frequencies, and thus indicates that your device can be used. To charge the Premio 30 EVO, remove the laser key, insert the charger plug in the device, and plug the charger into the power socket. Allow approximately 3 hours to completely charge the unit. The device cannot be used while it is charging. To turn the device off, press the on-off button for 2 seconds. It automatically switches off after 2 minutes without use. The Premio 30 EVO is a user-friendly device that is easy to handle and instantaneously ready for use. It is painless and aseptic, ideal for sensitive patients such as children and seniors. This device is a complementary medicine must-have for therapists who practice care without needles. For more information, please visit www.sedatelec.com.